Yeah. So let's there's another example here I want to solve. Please invite others that I'm around, I'm available, I'm live. It's okay. So far so good. Yeah. Sorry for the break in transmission. It's okay. So let's look at this together. Instead of evaluate this. So what we need to do is write solution 1 plus 3i all in bracket raised to the power of minus 1. Let's go back to indices. You know very well that a raised to the power of minus 1 is the same thing as 1 all over a. Two of us. It's true, right? So if you agree with me, this is equals to 1 all over 1 plus 3i. Can you see now? Amen? Are you following? Okay. If that is taken, this will now be, since the complex number 1 all over complex number conjugates. So we conjugate the denominator. Here we now be 1 all over 1 plus 3i times, you can now see that in between them, the real part and the imaginary part is plus. So here will now be minus 3i all over 1 minus, 1 minus 3i all over 1 minus 3i. Are you following? Please look at the board. Look at the board. Yeah. Look at the board. Please invite others. I want you to like what you are learning, like this video. And make sure you share this too. You can see one person liking. Thank you. Today is Valentine's Day. Like and share. Hope you are following. Okay. Yeah. So far, so good. So let's look at it together. So here will now be equals to 1 times 1 minus, this is our 1, open bracket, 1 minus 3i, that is the numerator, all over 1 plus 3i times 1 minus 3i. Amen? So far, so good. This will now be equals to 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times minus 3i all over 1 times 1, 1. 1 times minus 3i plus 3i times 1 plus 3i. Then 3i times minus 3i minus 9i squared. Amen? Are you following? Any question? No question. So we can proceed, right? So this is equals to this, and this will cancel. We have 1 minus 3i all over 1. I squared is what? Minus. Minus times minus plus 9. Amen? Okay. So here will now be 1 minus 3i all over what? 10. Then, or we can rewrite this idiot in this form. This is 1 all over 10 minus 3 all over 10i. Any question, please ask. Do you have any question? Do you have any question, yes or no? Please, I want you to like and share. Thanks for sending me love. The last step. Okay, Abubakar, again. Ahmad, Abubakar, the last step. What happened to the last step? This is what, look at it now. Look at it here. This last step, true of us. I said, look at it. 1 minus 3i, true or false? Then here we have minus 3i plus 3i, just like minus 3 plus 3, which is equals to what? 0 now. Yeah, so here is 0. But mind you, we have 9i squared. I squared is what? Is it not minus 1? So minus 1 times minus 9 is going to be what? Plus 9. So here will be 1 plus 9. So 1 plus 9 is 10. I said you can leave the answer in this form or this form. It's the same thing. Abubakar, are you following? Are you following, Abu? Abubakar, true or false? Okay, yeah. So that is how we are going to look at it together. Okay. So let's consider more problems that you may encounter in time to come. So I can click. So let's look at this question together. It's simple as ABC. Amen. Please invite others that back. I want you to invite others that I'm back. It's okay. Let's look at it together. I have here Engineer Dr. Justice. He's an engineer. I don't know whether you would like to see him. Engineer. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. So let's look at it together. Amen. I want us to consider this. When we have A all over, let's say, C plus B all over C, what do you think you are supposed to do? You look for the LCM, true or false? Yeah. The LCM, C to C, 1 times A, C to C, 1, here is plus, times B is B, true or false? So please take note of what we are about to do now, very important. So if I may ask, what should be the LCM of this? We have here 2 plus 3i all over I, open bracket, minus 5i plus 2 all over I. Somebody should tell us the LCM of this. Somebody should tell us the LCM of this. Yeah, who is communicating? Nobody. What is the LCM? What is the LCM? I want somebody to type. The LCM, please type it in the comment section. What is the LCM? Can we proceed? Can we proceed? Okay, let's proceed. It's okay. It's okay. Let us proceed. The LCM here is I. I to I is 1. They use this to multiply. Here will be 2 plus 3i, open bracket 4 minus 5i. Then here will be plus I to I 1 times 2, right? Hope I'm right. Sorry. I open bracket 4 minus 5i. So here's supposed to be, this should be the LCM. 4, okay. I open bracket. Okay, let's look at it this way. Here will be I plus 3i. Use this to multiply, then you multiply both of them. This is I plus 2, open bracket, I 4 minus 5i, close bracket, all over I dot I, open bracket, 4 minus 5i. Amen. I hope do you understand what I am doing here? No. You understand what I am doing here, right? Okay. So
making that more complex.
So if you agree with me, it means we open this bracket here. This times this is 2i plus this times this 3i square plus use this 2 to multiply I, 2i, so 2i times 4, 8i, 2i times minus 5i minus 10i square. Amen. Then already here we have I square is minus what? 1. So minus 1, open bracket, 4 minus 5i. True or false? So far so good. This is equals to I square is minus 1. So 2i minus 3 plus 8i minus 1 times minus 10 plus 10 all over minus 1 times 4 minus 4 plus 5i. Do you understand up to this extent? Any question? Please ask your question. Ask your question. Okay, no question. It means we can proceed, right? It's okay. So let's proceed. Let us proceed further. It's okay. So far, so good. We collect like terms. Look at the numerator. 2i plus, here we are going to have 10i, then minus 3 plus 10, all over minus 4 plus 5i. This is equals to what? 10i minus what? okay, plus 7 all over minus 4 plus to conjugate. So it implies that this is equals to 10i. We can bring 7 first before 7 plus 10i all over minus 4 plus 5i times, we conjugate minus 4 minus what? 5i all over minus 4 minus 5i. Are you following? Do you understand? Amen. Oh. Hope you are following. Are you following? Right? Okay. So far, so good. Let us proceed. Let's proceed further. Let's proceed further. It means this is what we have. 7 plus 10i all over minus 4 plus 5i times minus 4 minus 5i minus 4 minus 5i. That is, we are conjugating. Okay. Okay, so let us conjugate this. So here will now be equals to 7 plus 10i times minus 4 minus 5i all over minus 4 plus 5i times minus 4 minus 5i. Do you agree with me? Then this is equals to 7 times, what do we do? We use this bracket to multiply this bracket, two of us. So 7 times minus 4 minus 28, right? Two of us. Yeah. Okay. Then 7 times minus 5i. You are supposed to have minus 35, right? Then 10i times minus 4 minus 40i. Then 10i times minus 5i supposed to be minus 50i squared all over minus 4 times minus 4 plus 16 minus 4 times minus 5 is 5i plus 20i plus 5i times minus 4 minus 20i, then plus 5i times minus 5i, you are going to have minus 25i squared. Amen? True or false? True or false? It's true, right? It's okay. So if you agree with me, let's proceed. Let us proceed. So here, you don't need a prophet to tell you. Here we are going to have, we collect items. Okay. Here we have minus 75i, minus 28, minus 75i. Then here will be plus 50, right? Plus 50. Because I square is minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 50. Then all over this and this will go. Here will be plus 16 plus 25, right? Yeah. 16 plus 25, isn't it? Yeah. So far, so good. So here we are going to have minus 28 plus 50 plus 75i all over this plus this, 16 plus 25, right? Which is what? 41. True or false? 41. Isn't it? True or false? It's true, right? Okay, so far so good. So minus 28 plus 50, we are going to have 22 plus 75i all over what? 41. It means this is the answer, or 22 all over 41 plus 75i all over 41. This is how you are supposed to solve this type of problem. Do you have any question? Please ask. You have any question? Ask. Any question? Any question? This is a question we just solved. Do you have any question? Is there any question that you want to ask? Please, ask. We can proceed, right? Let us proceed to consider more examples that will benefit us. Let's proceed to consider more examples. Okay, let's consider this example. Express express open bracket minus 1 all over 2 plus square root of 3 all over 2i. I think so. Yeah. All in square. Amen. Amen. Oh, the network is so let's look at this question. The network is bad. I think after this question, we call it a day. After solving this problem. Okay, so let's look at it together. Amen. Here, what we need to do here is note that in indices, when you have something of this one, this is the same thing as A times A. True or false? Look at the board, please. A times A, true or false? So it means here we have minus 1 all over 2 plus root 3 all over 2i all in square. This is the same thing as minus 1 all over 2 plus root 3 all over 2i times minus 1 all over 2 plus root 3i all over 2. True or false? So this will now be equal to this times this, 1 all over minus times minus, then 1 times 1 all over 2 times 2 is 4. Then minus times this, multiply this, we are going to have minus square root of 3i all over 4. Then use this to multiply, we'll have minus square root of 3i all over 4, yes. Then this times this, we are going to have plus 3i squared all over 4. Yeah, I know some of you ask if we have square root of 3 all over 2 times square root of 3i all over 2. Note that square root of 3 times square root of 3 is always 3. Then I times I is going to give you I squared. Then all over 2 times 2, 4. Please take note. Is that clear? Yeah. Take note. Amen. Okay. So let's proceed further to. So this we're going to give us 1 all over 4 minus 2 root 3i all over 4. I know some of you ask how come 2? Then here will be minus, because here I square is minus 1 times plus 3 minus 3 all over 4. Amen. So the LCM is 4. This is equals to 4 to 4, 1 times 1, 1, minus 4 to 4, 1 times this, minus 2 square root of 3i, 4 to 4, 1 minus 3. So therefore, we collect like terms, real part to be on one side, 1 minus 3 minus 2 root 3i all over 4. Then this is the same thing as minus 2 root 3i all over 4. But if you can see what I am saying, we can rewrite this in this form. This is the same thing as minus 1 all over 2, then minus root 3i all over 2. You leave it like this or like this. Any question, please? Any question? No question? Do you have any question? Yes or no? Yes or no? No question. let's move ahead to solve one problem, then we call it a day. Let us solve one problem. Let's solve one problem, then we call it a day, right? It's okay. Yeah. Amen. Amen. Yeah. So express, what's the question here? Express 3 minus 4i all over 1 plus I, open bracket, 4 minus 2i in the form a plus ib. Amen. 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 Look at the board very well. In the form a plus ib. So let's look at it together. When you come across something of this form, it's simple as ABC. Here, what we need to do is this is equals to 3 minus 4i all over 1 plus I, open bracket, 4 minus 2i. So you open the bracket of the denominator, this bracket times this. So here we are going to 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times minus 2i minus 2i. I times 4 plus 4i. I times minus 2i minus 2i squared, right? Then 3 minus 4i. This is equals to 3 minus 4i all over 4 minus 2i plus 4i is going to give us plus 2i. Then here will be I squared is minus what? 1. So here will be what? Minus 1 times minus 2 is plus 2, right? So this is equals to 3 minus 4i all over this plus this, 6. 6 plus 2i. So what we need to do at this point, since we still have complex number down here, the denominator, we have to what? Conjugate. Is that clear? So here will be 3 minus 4i all over 6 plus 2i times 6 plus 2i. Here is supposed to be minus because as you are conjugating, so 6 minus 2i. Then this is the same thing as 3 minus 4i, open bracket, close bracket, 6 minus 2i, all over 6 plus 2i, open bracket, close bracket, 6 minus 2i. Amen? Okay, so this is equals to 3 times 6, 18, right? 3 times minus 2i minus 6i minus 4i times 6 is minus 24i, amen. Minus 4i times minus 2i plus 8i squared. Then all over 6 times 6, 36 times minus 2i minus 12i. 6i times, 2i times 6 is plus 12i, sorry. Here is 12i. Then 2i times minus 2i minus 4i squared. Do you understand? Look at this point. Hope you are following. Okay. So far, so good. Let's proceed. I know you are enjoying your Valentine. Some of you are not here. So unfortunate. It's okay. This is equals to 18. This minus 30i, because minus 6i minus 24i, just like minus 6 minus 24 is 30, two of us. Then this will be I squared is minus, so minus times plus 8 minus 8 all over. This and this will cancel. Then here is 36. This will be what? Minus times minus 4, minus 1 times minus 4 plus 4. Then 18 minus 8, we collect like terms. 18 minus 8 minus 30i all over 36 plus this is 40. Then this is equals to 18 minus 10 minus 30i all over what? 40. Two of us. So this is either 1 all over 4, amen, minus 3i all over 4. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. God bless you. Please don't forget to like and comment. Also share. I'll be very grateful. Love you guys. Happy Val. I wish you all the best. Amen. Love you guys. Well done.